how to Spring Boot application is creation, how to it works Spring Boot application internally. Let me create one sample Spring Boot application. See, go to file, new, Spring Starter project, can give any name, project name, Spring Boot. By default, it's Maven project, jar, by default jar or var, it's package 11 version, it's group ID artifact ID version. By default, it's taking. Go next. See here, we can choose Maven dependencies. If you want, you can choose based on the requirement. You can choose any dependencies. By default, once comes to the Spring Boot starter concept, it automatically by default it will be all the dependencies can be internally downloading. You can select here whatever requirement dependencies, it will be automatically generating. Finish. I will choose here DevTools and Spring Web. See, it will be works. By default, it's one Spring Boot application, it will be generating. See, in this application, in this annotation, Spring Boot application, in this annotation, it will be entire handle the application. And also see under Maven dependencies, see lot of the dependencies can be internally downloading. There is no external, you can choose dependencies is not available. By default, it automatically downloading all the dependencies. See here, every Spring Boot application, it's by default a Spring Boot auto configure. See here, in this dependency, Spring Boot auto configure. In this dependency, it will be take care of entire Spring Boot application. It runs internally. See here, under a Spring Boot auto configure, see lot of dependencies can be available in this application. In this Spring Boot application, in this annotation and in this dependency, in this two, entire application handles internally. See under Spring Boot auto configure, lot of dependencies can be available. So DAO, batch, cache, CJPA, lot of dependencies can be available. In this annotation, in this dependency, it will be take care of entire application. No need to any external dependencies can be downloading and not possible. By internally, all the dependencies can be downloading. And also by default Tomcat server is also available. Tomcat server, no need to any download and install to the Tomcat server, not required. By default Tomcat server is also available. Let me show you Tomcat server. I will create here println method. Just refresh the application. You can start in this application. See, go to right click on project, go to run as Spring Boot application. See, hello, it works fine. See here, Tomcat server is port number 8080. By default, Spring Boot works by default 8080 in this port number. If you want, you can override in this by default port number. You can go to application.properties files. You can give here server dot port is equal to something. Give any name, any port number, 4 digits. Control S. See, because of 8080 it works. No need to restart again. No need to run again in this application because of it internally it automatically it will be started because of dev tools. It's any changes you can add anything in the application, anything any removing in this application. By defaults it's running. No need to run again in this application because of dev tools it works internally. See, I will changes here something. Control S, save. See here, automatically restart. See, hello, it prints. Because of DevTools, it works. Port number 8089. And also, major in this Spring Boot application is works based on the Spring Boot annotation in this annotation and Spring Boot auto configure. In this two, it will be take care of in entire application. It works. And also H2 database compared to the Spring Boot also by default its in-memory database is available. No need to any database you can add and can add, not required. By default you can choose in memory database. You can use in memory database by defaults is available. No need to any external database is not required here. Port number is available by default. Tomcat server is available. And also it Spring Boot it works based on the auto configuration. Once come to the starter concept in the Spring Boot, it will be all the dependencies can be available. See, every Spring Boot, see starter concept, it will be comes to the starter concept in Spring Boot application. All the dependencies can be downloading internally. See, starter concept. Lot of advantages is available compared to the Spring Boot having lot of advantages. It works fine. Spring Boot. That's it. Go to next session. Is compared to the how to works. You can I will provide to the one more session how to works. How to configure Spring Boot application to the some advantages. Let me create one controller here. Hello controller. Let me finish. See here at the rate of REST controller. I will create one method here. at the rate of get mapping. Here, Spring Boot application, it works internally 8080. I can override here. It's my application. It's running 8089. Let me call to the in this get mapping in the through external browser. HTTP 8089. Sure. See, hello controller. It works fine through REST controller. We can post map get mapping. Get mapping means reading the data. See in this session, it ends now. Thank you for the watching.